Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Jamaicans have come to the aid of a family down on its luck this festive season. The beneficiaries were featured during a TVJ news report days ago. Deidre Thomas has more in this primetime news follow-up.
I have fish, I have mutton, and I have chicken, and I sorrel them, and I Congo peas, and I coconut.
A grateful Marjorie Lewis, who only had 2 onions and a little seasoning in her refrigerator when TVJ News visited her a week ago. Now, for the first time since her husband's passing years ago, she is bubbling with Christmas joy.
I feel so happy, I feel so glad, I feel so joyful. Sorrow's gone, pain gone. I feel so nice, I feel so good.
Marjorie's story about financial hardship, particularly at this time of the year, has been like a Christmas carol, resonating with hearts everywhere and inspiring a chorus of kindness, both locally and internationally. She's received food supplies and even cash donations.
When I look and see 4 or 5 cars in the lane, I ask Taddy, I don't even know what to do. Yes, it's gonna be a Christmas when I feel like my husband's still, because I have everything like what my husband used to do is what the people have come and do to me.
What's been truly special are the reasons why some people continue to offer support.
When I saw the story, tears came to my eyes. And I was like, no man, I have been there, where I opened my fridge and I saw a bottle of water in there. So when I saw the fridge store, I was like, no, I have to do something.
Most of the time, the things that you have, food, you're gonna eat, you're gonna fill your belly, but that's just one day, right? I think really what happens when someone comes and shows you this support, what it gives you is just that little bit of hope. And I think hope is really what makes anyone get anywhere closer to success.
And they say it takes cash to care. Marjorie's disabled daughter, her teen granddaughter, and her family members who rely on her also stand to benefit.
My granddaughter was in high school. She feels very grateful about it because lunch is so expensive. You get $100 for a box lunch, and when you get $1,000 for school also, it can buy lunch and bus here from where I would be able to come back here. So she's very shy, but she's very, very grateful.
Moving away from uncertainty, and now just 1 day before Christmas, Marjorie says this will be her best yet.
God bless your teams for help me. I'm very, very grateful. Everybody who reach out, I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful. Thanks very, very much.
And so she also wants to share the joy with other Jamaicans.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
When
the story.